Your Bobcat or Trailblazer will alert you when it's time to change your spark plugs. You will need a ratchet, spark plug socket, extension, and new spark plugs to complete the changeout. Warning: please read and follow all labels and the owner's manual carefully. Never use an engine-driven welder inside a home or garage, even if doors and windows are open. Open the door on either side of the machine, and near the top of the opening, you will see a wire that connects to the spark plug. Pull that off and expose the end of the existing spark plug. Once the existing spark plug is exposed, grab your ratchet, fitted with an extension and spark plug socket, and unscrew to remove the old spark plug. With the old plug out, you can put the new spark plug in and screw finger tight. Then tighten 1/2 turn with your ratchet and socket. Replace the wire and repeat this process on the other side. Remember to reset your maintenance settings when complete, and your machine will be ready for use.